A group of backyard dwellers from Khayelitsha and other areas on the Cape Flats are continuing to erect structures on vacant land in the area. This after they were forcibly removed over the weekend. The group says it is tired of waiting for houses.
43-year-old Tuli January Chofela says she's tired of living in a shack in someone's yard. As a vendor, she's the sole breadwinner who cares for her family of 7, including 2 sickly parents. She says the rent of 2,500 rand per month is unattainable. January Chofela is part of a group that now occupies this land owned by the Khayelitsha Community Trust.
Where we live, there's a lot of criminals who rob us because we stay far. So we want this place and we are taking it because we don't have homes. They give us a place to stay where it's wet. They put us in the wetlands.
Various occupations have taken place across the Cape Flats since last week. The City of Cape Town obtained a court order for eviction, saying land grabs won't be tolerated.
We're being raped and we're being robbed in this place. When you come from the train or public transport, we're being raped in this place. So we are sick and tired. That's why we end up occupying this place.
You rent in this house, then they kick you out, then you must go everywhere. So now we are sick and tired. I just want a place to stay, that's all.
The organisation, Black First Land First, says discussions are underway with the City of Cape Town. But they say the majority of people occupying the land owned by the Khayelitsha Community Trust live in abject poverty.
For them to tell us that they'll be building apartments, for us to rent these apartments to eventually own them is completely unfair to the people who cannot afford to have that done. So right now we're taking matters into our own hands. We've gone through the respective channels, we've asked for permission and they've made it clear that they're not. So hopefully with the negotiations that we'll be having tomorrow, it'll take us somewhere. But if not, then we still stand on this position that we want to occupy this land. We want a place to stay. It's as simple as that.
This afternoon, the Khayelitsha Development Forum convened a meeting with stakeholders. The forum says it supports the plight for proper housing, but asked protesters not to resort to violence.
What we do not agree with, ma'am, is flooding of Khayelitsha with shacks, because we don't want the shacks that we already have in Khayelitsha now. There are certain things that the City of Cape Town must answer. Part of it is that why has that land not been developed? Why are the houses not having been developed there? Because the reality is that between the City of Cape Town and KCT, somebody is at the wrong.
The forum says it wants to see a Khayelitsha that is prosperous, where people can live and work. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Khayelitsha.